Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, faculty members, and research students. Myself, Sumit Wankhade, Assistant Professor at Department of Zoology in Mahatma Jyotiba Phule College of Science, Commerce and Arts, Amravati, Maharashtra, along with my co-author, Dr. Santosh Pawar sir, who is an Associate Professor at Department of Zoology in Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, Maharashtra. The topic for today's e-poster is the allelic frequency of ABO and RHD blood group among the population of endogamous group of Amravati district, Maharashtra, India. In this study, we have taken Brahmins as the endogamous group of Amravati district. So first of all, let me introduce you all with my topic. So here is the introduction. The Indian population consists of about 4,000 endogamous groups stratified into the various castes and tribes bound together by the social factor, offering an excellent scope for the genetic studies. These endogamous groups are bound by the social factors are one of the most important tools for the study of the gene population and allelic frequency, which are the key terms in the context of evolution. Since random mating is not allowed in this endogamous population, the allelic frequency tends to change over the time according to the Hardy-Weinberg law, which states that if the random mating is allowed in the population, then allelic frequency and the genotypic frequency remains constant. Now the materials and methods. So in this study, we have taken the blood samples of 125 unrelated individuals from the Brahmin population of Amravati districts. So here you can see in this table, we have taken the samples of 125 individuals of A, B, O and ABO blood group, in which we have observed that the observed number of is the highest among the A, then it is somewhat less than the highest. The observed number is 40 among A, then 31 among B, 46 among O, and 9 among AB. In the same way, the frequency is uh, 32 in A, of 24.8 in AB, 36 in O, and 7.20 in AB. Um, so the blood samples of 125 individuals were taken from the Brahmin population, and these were analyzed for the ABO and RHD blood groups following by the Race and Sanger method. So the allelic frequency are calculated by the Hardy-Weinberg principle using the Weinberg software program. So there is a Weinberg software program in which we um, we put the ready-made data, the number of data that we put in the software is ready-made. It calculates the allelic frequency for us. So after putting the data, we get the allelic frequency like you can see in this table. So the allelic frequency is 0.25 for A, 0.15 for B, 0.60 for A, and 0 for AB. So this is the so this thing is demonstrated in the bar diagram. Here you can see the O has the maximum number of allelic frequency, the maximum number of allelic frequency as well as the maximum number of phenotypic frequency can be observed in the O. Okay. So it shows that the phenotype O has the highest phenotypic frequency, that is 36%, followed by the A which has 32%, then B which is 24.08%, and AB which is 7.02%. The overall series of the phenotypic frequency of ABO blood groups in the phenotype is a maximum in O, then B, then A, and least in AB. So it shows that the O phenotype is the dominant phenotype, with B with followed by the A, B, and AB in the Brahmin population. The allelic frequency was recorded in the decreasing order as 0.60 for O, 0.25 for A, 0.15 for B. So in this study, it is observed that the RHD blood groups was The RHD blood group positive was 92.80 and 7.254 were negative. So you can see in this table, we are out of 125 individuals, RHD positive were 116, and the RHD negatives are 0. Are 9. In the same way, the phenotypic frequency that comes out for the positive is 92.80, and and 7.25 for the RHD negative, and the allelic frequency that comes out for the RHD positive is 0.96, and RHD and for RHD negative is 0.04. So in this way we have performed this study. From this In this study we can make a conclusion that in the present investigation it may be concluded that the O gene frequency is higher than that of the A and B in the population of Brahmin in Amravati district in Maharashtra. So from this study the data generated may be useful for the health planners while making efforts to face the future challenges in the region. In short, the data generated uh, not only provides the data about the availability of human blood group in the case of regional calamities, but it also serves as insights into the possibilities of the future burden of the disease. Thank you.